So let's see what is the meaning of these two buttons. The address bar contains two buttons. Refresh button. The refresh button is clicked to start reloading the particular website or web page when that particular website or web page is not getting completely opened due to some reason. Means suppose we have entered the address and we want to open the website, but it is not loading properly. So what we can do at that time, instead of closing the tab altogether, we can just press on this button and it will again start reloading. It will again start loading. Okay, so maybe in the second turn or in the third turn the problem will be sorted out and website will open properly. Okay, so next is stop button. A website can be stopped from being displayed while it is still opening by clicking the stop button. If a hyperlink is clicked by mistake, you can stop it by clicking the stop button. Means we can stop our website from being displayed. We don't want to, we have entered the address, but now we don't want to see the website or work on that website. So what we can do, we can stop from its displaying by clicking on the stop button. Okay, and even if a hyperlink is clicked, hyperlink means, I told you children that hyperlink is a text by which other web pages are connected. So if we will click on the hyperlink, the other web page will open. But if by mistake we have clicked on the hyperlink and we don't want that page to be opened, what we can do? Again, we can click on the stop button. Now next is back button. Suppose you have opened 3 different web pages in the same window. The back button is used to go backward from current page to the previous page. Means you have opened 3 web pages in the same window. You have opened a website and then you are going inside it. You are going deep inside it. So one by one, many web pages are being opened. So what you can do at that time, if you want to go back, you can click on this back button. Forward button. Forward button is available only after you click the back button. It is used to go forward in the direction opposite to backward. Means it will be available only after you have clicked the back button, because you have already traveled to other web pages and then you are clicking back button. So that is why forward button will be available only when you have clicked on back button. Means suppose you have opened page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4. Now from page number 4 you want to go to page number 2. So you will click on back button, and again from page number 2 you want to go to page number 4. So you will click on forward button. Now command bar. You can see here different types of commands are there. The command bar contains several buttons on it. These buttons are used to make browsing faster and easier. Some of them are home button. Using home button, you can go back to the home page of the browser window. The home page of Internet Explorer can be different and you can even set it according to your choice. Means this command bar is used for making our browser faster and easier. Just like we have a menu in MS Word or MS PowerPoint, same way here command bar is for our ease, for making our work easier. Okay, now home button is used for going to the home page of the window, and we can set the home page of the window according to our choice. Now print button. Printout of a web page can be obtained by clicking this button. We can get the printout of the web page by this button. Help button. This button contains options for help on the Internet Explorer. Means we can find the help, how to do certain things, or what we can do in this help button. Favorites button. Sometimes you find a particular web page interesting, you can save the URL address of this particular site in the browser with the help of this button. Means it is quite like saving the web page. Okay, but you are not actually saving, you are showing that you want to open this web page later also. So you can press on this star icon, and that stands for favorite buttons. Okay, now from here, tabs. we will study in the next period, and please go through it properly, because these can come for short answers as well. So don't just do a rough reading, go through it properly, and everything will not be given in the copy. You need to learn it and understand it properly. Okay, so if you can see these things practically, then also it is fine, and if you cannot, then at least go through the theoretical part. I will show you practically all these buttons later on. Okay, now we'll meet tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.